I'm P.N. Thongot, Deputy Commissioner in Tirap district for last 2.5 years. I joined here on the 14th of August 2017. Since then, when I reached here, I found that this Tirap house has got lots of scope, say for to raise flower gardens and also to raise kitchen garden. I have tried my best to ensure that this Tirap house becomes an example for each one of us, for the Tirapians, because I have been asking Tirapians to come and see for themselves how we can go for an organic cultivation. Once I thought that I'm going to make it as an organic, kitchen garden, I started planning raising a vermicompost, and after raising vermicompost, what I have found is there is an excellent garden which has been due to the organic manures, and abundant of all vegetables both in winter and summer crops that I raise. It is so abundantly with a small plot of land that not only it caters the need of Tirap house, but I have distributed among my friends and among people because abundantly I can grow and the taste is excellent. Organic cultivation is indeed very important for one thing, for health issues one. The other one is it's a eco-friendly, environment-friendly. Otherwise, these days we have gone for a massive, inorganic cultivation that not only harms health in long run, but it harms the entire environment, because at the end of the day, whatever pesticides we use, whatever inorganic manures that we use, that harms the soil texture. 1, 2, it does affects the bees. Bees are so important in our life because it helps in pollination of food crops. So therefore we should stop inorganic cultivation and use what we call pesticides. As far as what I have come to know is that my people out here, Tirapians, they come and share their stories that, sir, we used to have a lot of orange orchids, but slowly it is dwindling, it has just vanished. Then main reason what I could gather information is villagers started using weedicide massively in their orange orchids. From administration, I have banned import of weedicide in market. Now people have stopped using weedicides. I have been telling people that they should raise kitchen garden at their backyard. And one kitchen garden can feed not only the family, but it can feed so many people. One can earn some cash also if they want, because the scope out here is so good. In winter, you can raise all kinds of winter crops. In summer, you can raise all sorts of summer crops, but use organic manures, and it can be done very easily just outside your home, your backyard. Dig 4 feet of pits. The depth would be around 2 feet. Then the breadth would be 2.5 feet. Then whatever residuals, kitchen residuals you can put in. If we have veterinary here, we can collect cow dung and keep some cow dungs out there. Worms are available here. I have got plenty of worms that can be put inside that pit, and within a month the worms eat away everything and produces a beautiful manure which can be used for raising kitchen garden and also flower. And as all of you can see, there is a huge scope in Tirap, especially in terms of horticulture. Oranges there, pears, pineapples, and here one good thing I found is avocados. Somebody raised one plant of avocados. The yielding capacity of that avocado plant was huge, almost 1 quintal last time we got harvested. I have distributed among my friends also. I have raised some seedlings and I'm distributing across the board. I have planted few plants of what you call strawberries. It is also doing good, and I can also share the photographs with all of you. So we have a huge scope for avocados, then strawberries, besides whatever food crops that we raise. So I would urge my people to raise kitchen garden. And in this period of lockdown, where we do not have scope for importing vegetables, I can show you right now that I am having plenty of vegetables from my garden. So we should go for a self-sufficient, kind of kitchen garden that not only saves huge money, but it's good for health, and it's a very doable, very easy. No technology, nothing of the sort. Very easy. So my dear friends, come on, let us raise a kitchen garden and see for yourself. Each one of you can come and visit Tirabaur. See the flowers. I have a bee box also. I have harvested, bee honeys trays. I have shared those honeys with my friends, and you can do that. Flowers you can raise within your compound. Bee box you can keep it. You can raise a kitchen garden. Everything you can do. It's available. You don't need a big land. You can see for yourself. I bought a very limited land. But if you want to do something, you can do surely. Here the climatic condition is so good. With the help of TBO Dr. Poddar, what we did is we raised few numbers of Karangnat, this chicken, and it's altogether different breed. It has got a very high value of food. I am told it is like a penny for the health. So we have raised Karangnat chickens here, and I am getting large numbers of eggs every day. I am distributing with the friends, and also I am told the cost of per Karangnat egg is 50 rupees. So that's a great thing, which can be, we can raise those Karangnat chickens in the backyard also. And last time I collected a couple of turkey birds, and I'm telling you, I'm getting a regular eggs. I can show you the turkey, only one pair. That has given me no less than 200 to 300 numbers of eggs, and that's a wonderful thing. So we can raise Karangnat chickens out here. We can raise even turkey also. That's what I would like to share with the public of my Tirapens. We wanted to present township in a different look. So in the month of November 2019, I call upon the public of Tirapens that please come forward and get all your roofs painted with a red color. And I'm happy to inform you that today the look of the Phuntsar township as a whole has a different look. Only because public, they all have cooperated. They themselves went voluntarily and done a roofing, red roofing. So it has given a different kind of looks altogether, beautiful. And one good thing I find here is, whatever administration or whenever we try to, call upon public to cooperate for any work, they all come up and cooperate us, especially administration. I'm indeed very happy because whatever works we could do is only because from the good cooperation that we get from the public. And I wish that this kind of good spirit, positive, thinking from the public side is always welcome, so that we together can change, the Tirap. We can present our Tirap as a different district, and Tirap is doing well. Tirapins are doing well. That's how we all come together, work together, and bring about a change. A change, each one of you can see it's happening here. Cleanliness, ban of plastics, health and hygiene. Even now lockdown is going on, people are cooperating. So that's an important positive message which we would like to convey, not among ourselves, but among the people of the Arunachal. That's what the great spirit of the Tirapens. I wish our Tirapens spirit should always remain high. That's how we can not only make our district a difference, but we can set an example across the board. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tirapens, for your cooperation and for your good spirited cooperation. Thank you.